Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this series we are doing transformations of functions and today we will learn combining horizontal and vertical shifts. Here is the question. Sketch the graph of fx equal square root x minus 3 plus 4. So can you observe here original function is square root x, right? And next one is x minus 3. And we already done horizontal shifts and vertical shifts. So x minus 3 horizontal shifts, because this is just like function x f x minus c. So here x minus 3, it means 3 unit shift, 3 unit right side. Okay. And now final function is square root x minus 3 plus 4. It means this function square root x minus 3 shift upside 4 unit. This original function, this shift 3 unit right side and then 4 unit upside. Okay. So before going to draw this, we have to make a table. Here y equal square root x. So x and this is y equal square root x. This is second one, y1 square root x minus 3. So here x, y1 square root x minus 3. And this is final one, fx equal square root x minus 3 plus 4. Okay. So here x and here fx. Okay. So here square root x means x to the power 1 upon 2. This is radical. And here if even power, so we can't put here any negative number. So x can be 0 or any positive number. So we can put 0, 0 square root 0 is 0. When we put 1, square root 1 is 1. Here we can put 4 because 4 is perfect square number. So um, square root 4 is 2. Then 9, square root 9 is 3. 16, square root 16 is 4. Here x minus 3 can be 0 or more than 0. It means a positive number. So we can put 3. 3 minus 3 0, square root 0 is 0. We can put 4. 4 minus 3 1, square root 1 is 1. Here we can put 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Square root 4 is 2. Okay, here we can put 12. 12 minus 3, 9. Square root 9 is 3. Okay, here just add 4 in this column. Okay, so when we put 3, here we get 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. When we put 4, 1 plus 4, 5. When we put 7, 2 plus 2 plus 4 is 6. When we put 12, 12 here 3 plus 4, 7. So these ordered pair 0 0 1 1 4 2 9 3 16 4, here 3 0 4 1, this one and this one we can plot on the graph. Okay, you can see this graph. This is original one. y equal square root x, this is, and next one is x minus 3 square root x minus 3. So this is 3 unit right side shift, shift 3 unit right side here, and this is 4 unit upside, shift 4 unit upside. Okay, this is 3 unit right side, 4 unit upside. So very simple questions, we can see this. Just we have to find out which is original function, and then shift vertical or horizontal you have to find out. So very simple questions. If you have any doubt, please ask me, and if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye, have a nice time.